pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, hey? Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that device out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves! Open fire!
Left and right!
After that
I'm
train!
up and down, yeah!
Fire engineers! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
It's much worse.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends.
We did something.
The power of the ship. The high gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Pilots, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. Close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let's have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. But now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
So you love that, right?
Travels with the Baldiloks.
Like us on Facebook
And subscribe to us on YouTube.